Good evening, friends. We shall today discuss how Nifty can perform tomorrow, the 4th of August. Friends, please look into my video, my yesterday's video. I had very clearly mentioned that if it breaks this channel, it can come down up to 17,154. There is a support, there is a hurdle here, and if it takes a support from here, then it can go up. I don't know how many of you actually followed it, but had you followed, then definitely you would have made profits. Today, friends, I did not make profit because once the market broke this channel, I took a put, and at this candle, my 30-point SL was hit. And once my SL is hit, I close my trade. I don't trade anymore. That's my discipline that I try to follow. Okay. Also, friends, today, I don't think many one of you would have made profits because what the market was doing was coming down, going up, coming down, going up, coming down, going up. So every time you take a position, it is going on the opposite direction, and then it will turn it into loss. Having said that, I also want to show you something more, which would be good for you for the future. Now, friends, I'll just make this a little bit larger and show it. Now, what did the market do? Market came here, went up, came down here, went up, came down here, and then went up. Okay. In the market, when you're trading in the market, sometimes it is good to zoom in and zoom out. You have to zoom in when you're doing it and zoom out when you have to look at from a long view. When you see a long view, you see a perfect W forming, one bottom, two bottom, three bottom. And this is a inverted pushpa type bottom. And when this happens at this point of time, in future, if this happens, if you get 3 points, which is in which the swing has touched and gone, please take a call here and you will get good profits. So that's what happened today. Now let's look into the data. Now, if I look into the data, I'm just trying to understand what are the FIs doing. I mean, hey, come on, Mr. FI. Either you go long or you go short. Don't be like a seesaw. You have an added long. You're at 1 lakh long in calls and 1 lakh 3 long in put. Take a decision. Make up your mind. Enough is enough. The pros, they have 127. They have added longs in the calls, and they maintained their put rating. So pros are definitely showing that yes, we want to go up, but then again they have added shorts here. So they have not made any change here. There is long closer, put long closer. So overall, what I see is that again a day of premium meeting tomorrow. Now, how to trade? There are a couple of things I want to tell you, and be clear on that. Tomorrow, I will keep the same levels drawn. I'm not going to change the levels. 17,214, 17,154, 17,018. Below 17,214, I would be bearish. But if the market comes down wherever it opens, if it comes down and crosses this particular line, 17,214, I will take a put, but I will keep stop loss at 10 points here. And my stop loss will be 17. Wait, I'll tell you. 17,225. Friends, if I take a put on break of this, and then the market goes back again and crosses 17,225, I know that the market is going to play dangle with me. And I don't want to be a part of the dangle. So let him play. I will give my stop loss to the market, close the trade, and enjoy my day. But friends, if it doesn't hit your stop loss, if it does not hit your stop loss, be prepared for 17,018 tomorrow itself. Be prepared for 17,018 tomorrow itself. If it can take a hurdle and a support from here. But on expiry day, if this is breaking 17,214 and not going back, I would sit and I'll sit and I'll sit and I'll be prepared for 1701. So either tomorrow I'll give the market the SL of 30 points, or I'm going to take at least 200 points from the market. This is opens anywhere and breaks this. Now, friends, opens anywhere in between this line and this line. That is 17,390 and 17,214. Opens anywhere, goes up, and on a momentum, comes up to 17,426. It goes up on 5-minute candle, goes up. At this point, be cautious. Just be cautious, because it may take a reversal from this point. Be cautious. Watch. So opens anywhere here, and on a fierce move goes up, then at this point, I'll be cautious. So it forms green candle, green candle, green candle, green candle. And if it forms a red candle here, friends, I'll be cautious. I will again give the market 10 points stop loss, 10 points, just 10 points, and not more than 10 points. And after 10 points, if it doesn't hit, I will again sit from 17,426 to 17,214. Not beyond that. Okay. Now, friends, the golden scenario, the golden trade would be market opens flat and does ballet dancing, not belly dancing, ballet dancing. Tick, 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 tick here for say 1 hour, for say 2 hours, but does not cross this. It keeps on dancing and then it crosses. And it closes on a 5-minute candle above this. Your immediately you will get 17,527 or 17,557. And if this also hits, you will get 17,663. Okay. Now, market has closed here. What about if it opens somewhere here? If it closed here and opens somewhere here, close your eyes and say, God, thank you very much. You're so great. Because it has closed here, and if it opens at and around these points, 17,225, 17,230, 17,214, just give the market 20-point SL, just 20 points, and take a call. I will just give the market 20-point SL and I'll take a call, and that I'm going to sit from here up to 17,426 again. Now, so I told you about this part, opening anywhere in between. If it opens somewhere here, if it goes up, somewhere here it opens, goes up, it will wait for it to take a rejection from 17,426 and then take a put. Opens here, comes down, wait for it to take a rejection, support from 17,214, let it go up. But any one of these lines, if at any point of time market is playing here and going up, please sit for a long target. Similarly, if the market has come down or opened down, I said market has come down, opened flat, come down, or opened down, and it does ballet dancing here. And then it breaks 17,214. Immediately sit for 17,018. Give the market 10-point stop loss. So tomorrow's 2 golden trades. One, if the market does ballet dancing, 20, 30, 40, 50 points up and down, and then it breaks on the upside, I am in for a long trade up to 17,600. Again, if it comes down here, does ballet dancing here, comes down, I'm again here for a long trade. Only thing is that if it keeps on moving like this and this and this and this and this and this, like I just showed you, if it moves like here, here, like this, keeps on moving like this. So remember, friends, At this point, take a put. At this point, at the bottom, take a call. At the up, take a put. Always keep a 10-point SL. Sorry, when you're here, when the market moving like this, keep a 20-point SL. Beyond 20 point it hits, close the trade. That's all from my side, friends. Thank you so much. Have a great Thursday tomorrow, and I'm sure you will all make profits. Thank you so much. Sayonara. Bye-bye, and good night.